So today I'm gonna do a negative pour on a small little canvas board, and the colors I'm using are Artist Loft metallic purple, Amsterdam Reflex green, Amsterdam King's blue, and Artist Loft Flow Acrylic white. I'm also mixing in pouring medium, Liquitex pouring medium, and I'm gonna try to see what mixing Liquitex gloss varnish will do. It's an experiment, so I've never seen anybody else put this in. Probably people have done it, I don't know, but I just thought I'd try it myself. And I'm going to use no silicone. I'm just going to use the Coconut Milk Serum, probably 2 or 3 drops in each color except the white. Okay, so I'm going to put the white on first. And I'm going to spread it around. I've seen somebody use, darn, I was going to check who it was. I've seen somebody use this for spreading, and it worked pretty good for them. They say she says it works great. It works better than trying to use a palette knife. It seems to be working really good right now. I meant to get her name before I started the video, but I totally forgot. Yeah, it seems to be working really well. I just need to put a little bit more paint on the edges, maybe. Couple spots. Yeah, that spreads it really well. Thank you. Leave a little bit in there. Wow, this is cool. Spreads it really nice. Yeah, wow. Okay, so I'm just going to pour the rest of the, oh, I forgot these. Pour the rest of the paint in this cup here. I don't need that in there anymore. I'll put 3 drops in each one. think it looked pretty good. It looks pretty good. Whoops. Yeah, I really like that. I will let it dry, and then I will do another video once it's dry to show you what it looks like. But I think pretty successful. I'll just give you a close-up. I really like it. It's awesome. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.